Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to read a very beautiful poem, Vocation, written by Rabindranath Tagore. First, let me introduce myself. I am Shoumi Chatterjee Nath, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya NTPC, Kehelgaon. Now, let's get a brief introduction about Rabindranath Tagore. He was born on 7th May 1861. He was a great Bengali poet, writer, composer, philosopher and painter. He wrote numerous poems, short stories, dramas and novels. In 1913, he won the Nobel Prize in Literature for Gitanjali. Now, this is very important to note that he was the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize. Do you know, his compositions were chosen by two different nations as national anthems, India's Jana Gana Mana and Bangladesh's Amar Sonar Bangla. Now look at these pictures. While going to school, in the market, in the park, we see and meet different people like hawker who sells goods, the gardener who digs the ground and plants seeds, the watchman who keeps guard throughout the day and night, the sweeper who cleans the roads and our society, the tailor who stitches our clothes, and many more people. Now, before reading the poem, can you tell me what is the meaning of vocation? Vocation means a person's employment or main occupation, specially regarded as worthy and requiring dedication. It is someone's profession. Now let's read the poem. Vocation. When the gong sounds 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying, "Bangles, crystal bangles." When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener, digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman, walking the streets all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Now, before explaining, I want you to know some difficult words and their meanings. So, first one is gong. Gong means a metal disc that gives a loud sound when struck. Second one is hawker. Hawker means a person who travels about selling goods, typically advertising them by shouting. As we read in the poem, the hawker was shouting, "Bangle, crystal bangle." He was trying to advertise his goods. Next, third one is ped, which means a tool with a sharp edged metal blade and a long handle used for digging earth. We have seen this tool, we have seen the spade in the ground. The gardener uses this mostly for digging the ground. The last one is bask, which means exposed to warmth and light of sun for pleasure. Now let me explain the poem. This poem portrays the innocent yearnings and wishes of a child. Due to his innocence, he is still unaware and untouched by the harshness of the daily labor. Now here in this poem, the poet Rabindranath Tagore has pen portrayed the innocent yearnings and wishes of a child. So on his way to school, he meets the bangle seller and wishes to enjoy the liberty of moving anywhere and everywhere he wants, just like the hawker. There will be no restriction. Then, while returning from school, he notices the gardener digging the ground and yearns to be a free person like him. He wants to play with dust and soil, bask in the sun, and drench in water just like the gardener. Then, when it gets dark and he goes to sleep, through the open window he can see the watchman holding a lantern and a shadow by his side. The child wants to get the freedom of the watchman so that he can walk the streets and play with his shadow all the night. Now, being a little child, he has to follow certain rules and regulations. So that's why this little child wants to enjoy freedom. Being innocent, he is unaware and untouched by the harshness that this gardener, this hawker and the watchman, they have to face daily. How much pain and labor they have to undergo daily to earn their livelihood. The child is completely unaware to this. He only yearns and wants to get the freedom enjoyed by the hawker, gardener and watchman. Now let's discuss some important questions. First one is, who is the speaker in the poem? And who are the people the speaker meets? And what are they doing? And the speaker of the poem is a school-going child. Every day he meets the hawker who sells bangles, the gardener who digs the garden, and a watchman who walks throughout the streets all the night without sleeping. The next one is, what wishes does the child in the poem make? Why does the child want to be a hawker, a gardener or a watchman? The child with his innocent mind wishes to be the free persons like the hawker, the gardener or the watchman. Now I hope you have enjoyed the poem. Now it's time for the assignment. Now, like the child in the poem, you perhaps have your own wishes for yourself. Write down using I wish I were. Now let me share one thing to you. When I was a child, even now, I also wish if I were a bird. Now let me know what are your wishes. So write down using I wish I were. Thank you everyone.